Welcome to our next episode of Uniqueness with Disability, because empathy matters. In last episode, I think it made us, go very close to the decision of whether special school or normal school. That episode was with Dr. Mihir Parekh, and today we once again have Dr. Mihir Parekh with us because he is a founder of a special school named as Urja Special School, which is run by him.
I am Dr. Mihir Parekh. I am a child psychologist and the founder of Urja Counseling and Remedial Center. And Pooja ma'am, she is the principal of Urja Counseling and Remedial Center. Well, one of the strands of Urja Counseling and Remedial Center, जो आज आप लोग यहाँ पर हो और आप देख रहे हो, is vocational training.
170, 180, 190, 100.
200.
200.
What is this?
50.
50 plus 50?
50 plus 50, 100.
100 plus 50?
150.
150 plus 50?
150 plus 50, 200.
200 plus 50?
250, 250.
4,500, 5,000, 5,500, 6,000, 6,500, 7,000, 7,500.
So vocational training center जो है वो मंडे टू फ्राइडे यहाँ पर एडल्ट्स विद स्पेशल नीड्स, स्पेशली जो 18 इयर्स के ऊपर है, जिनके पास आगे कुछ स्टडीज़ का स्कोप नहीं है लेकिन लाइफ स्किल्स ट्रेनिंग बिकम्स एक्सट्रीमली मैंडेटरी, तो ये पूरे ऑब्जेक्टिव्स के साथ वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग हमने शुरुआत की है. वेल वी ऑल्सो नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये सिर्फ यहाँ पर बच्चे ना तो सिर्फ पढ़ने आते हैं बट ओवरऑल उनका होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट होता है. How it functions and all, और मेरा उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था, आई थिंक पूजा मैम कैन शेयर.
स्पेशली इन क्वारंटाइन टाइम जहाँ पे इन बच्चों को कुछ भी नहीं आता था, सामान कैसे लेना है, घर कैसे संभालना है, बाकी सारी चीज़ें कैसे करनी है. सो वी थॉट कि अगर हम कोविड से बाहर निकलते हैं तो कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए जहाँ पे बच्चे इंडिपेंडेंट हो. सो आवर फर्स्ट वेंचर आफ्टर कोविड इज़ वोकेशनल सेक्शन. सो जहाँ पे बच्चे खुद अपने हिसाब से अपना काम कर सकते हैं और इवन उनको बेसिक जो जनरल घर की चीज़ें हैं उनके बारे में हम लोग नॉलेज दें.
ना तो सिर्फ उनको मनी सिखाना, क्योंकि मनी ऑफ कोर्स प्लेज अ वेरी इंटीग्रल रोल, लेकिन मनी के अलावा बच्चे ऑफिस में काम करने के लिए तैयार होने चाहिए, तो हम लोग ऑफिस मैनेजमेंट की ट्रेनिंग देते हैं. जब बच्चे बाहर शॉपिंग के लिए जाते हैं तो फंक्शनल मैथ्स, फंक्शनल इंग्लिश इज़ द क्रक्स ऑफ वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग. एट द सेम टाइम ये सिर्फ ये 4 दीवारी तक सीमित नहीं रहता है. बच्चे अलग अलग जगह पर फील्ड ट्रिप्स के लिए जाते हैं. बच्चे एक पर्टिकुलर सीजन टाइम पर कुछ पर्सनलाइज्ड गिफ्टिंग, हैंडीक्राफ्ट का सामान सब बनाते हैं, जहाँ पर वो लोग ऊर्जा स्कूल के टीचर्स के साथ, उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ अलग अलग जगह पर जहाँ पर एग्जीबिशंस होते हैं, मॉल्स में, कोई MNCs में या कोई भी बैंक्स वगैरह में, तो बच्चे वहाँ जाकर अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को शोकेस करते हैं. एट द सेम टाइम दी ऑब्जेक्टिव इज़ कि वो लोग रेगुलर कस्टमर इंटरेक्शन कैसे होना चाहिए वो उनको ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है. So I think Urja in itself has so many things to develop, to show, to learn, जहाँ पर बच्चे ना तो सिर्फ ये सारी चीज़ें लर्न करते हैं बट जब वो बाहर निकलते हैं ये कोर्स करके, तब वो लोग देखते हैं कि उनको कंप्यूटर आ रहा है, मनी आ रहा है, they know shop management, they know customer interaction, they also simultaneously upgrade their skills in various spheres.
And they earn something at least.
Yeah, and they earn something. I think एक लाइवलीहुड देना ये बच्चों को, वो हमारा प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव है. ऑल्सो जो स्किल अप प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं उसके अलावा अगर हमें लगता है कि बच्चे तैयार हो गए हैं तो हम लोग उनको कुछ ऐसे कोर्सेज के लिए बाहर भेजते हैं जो उनको जॉब के लिए सपोर्ट कर सके. सो राइट फ्रॉम होल्डिंग द हैंड्स फ्रॉम ट्रेनिंग से लेकर हम पेरेंट्स को ये तक कोशिश करते हैं ये गारंटी देने के लिए कि ये बच्चा बाहर जाकर हम उनको जॉब भी दिलाएंगे, एट द सेम टाइम वो सोसाइटी को कुछ तरीके से प्रोडक्टिव होके दिखाएगा.
So let's welcome our guest, Dr. Mihir Parekh. This episode is also sponsored by Mr. Karan Saldhana. Welcome back, sir. on this show with
Thank you.
your special episode of Urja Special School, which is your school. You are the
Yes.
founder, so you're the best person to answer about Urja Special School. So first is क्या विजन था आपका ये स्कूल स्टार्ट करने के लिए?
विजन था बच्चे को ऑफ कोर्स एजुकेशन देना, बिकॉज दैट्स प्राइमरी, एंड सेकेंडली ये देखते थे कि जो बच्चे नॉर्मल स्कूल में बेनिफिट नहीं हो रहे हैं उनको थोड़ा बहुत उसी तरीके का एजुकेशन देकर उनको अपने ऊपर सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट करे, वाज द प्राइमरी विजन.
And how old is Urja school?
So we started in 2010, so I think it's a 15-year-old
15 years.
teenage baby.
So good, you are a happy parent, I
Yes,
hope.
yes, yes.
Why is Urja school different than other special schools?
Honestly, I don't know Urja Special School is different or not, but सिर्फ ये चीज़ है कि the activities that we have for all our children is something जो शायद दूसरे special schools, जहाँ तक मेरा knowledge है, वो लोग नहीं दे पाते. The exposure that they have and the kind of care that is given to these children is somewhere I feel that makes us unique and special.
Yeah, that is what I feel when I met your team and when I had a word with some parents, you know, that love which they get from Urja school is
And
maybe that is your
mainly,
USP.
our primary is our involvement. That's
So how do you plan this IEP for every child when the child comes to you? What is the process that you follow?
so जब बच्चे ऊर्जा स्पेशल स्कूल ज्वाइन करते हैं तभी बच्चे का कुछ दिन का असेसमेंट लिया जाता है. जस्ट नॉट एकेडमिक्स बट उसको डांस क्लास में भेजेंगे, स्पोर्ट्स में भेजेंगे, योगा में भेजेंगे, जस्ट टू होलिस्टिकली चेक कि बच्चे को कहाँ एरियाज में इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए. और उसके बाद वी डोंट प्लान एन IEP बट वी प्लान क्वार्टरली गोल्स हर ये एरिया में जहाँ पर बच्चे की नीड है, एंड देन द टीचर स्टार्ट्स टीचिंग.
Is there any specific, the tool or technique which you use?
जब हम बच्चे को असेस करते हैं सो वी आइडेंटिफाई कि बच्चा किस तरीके का लर्नर है. विजुअल है, ऑडिटरी है, वो बच्चा इशारे से लर्न करता है, और उस तरीके से वी प्लान इट इन द स्ट्रैटेजी कि इसको फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल गिव यू अ सिंपल एग्जाम्पल. अगर बच्चा जेस्चरल लर्नर है, मतलब कि इशारे से लर्न करना, तो उसको जब 9 की स्पेलिंग सिखाते हैं तो एक विजुअल लर्नर को NINE 9 ऐसे कराएंगे, बट इसको कराएंगे NINE 9. तो बच्चा खुद ऐसे हाथ करेगा और फिर वो लिखेगा. सो देन द चाइल्ड लर्न. सो इट डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम चाइल्ड टू चाइल्ड.
So there are how many teachers working with you, sir?
Currently, I have a staff of 38 teachers.
Okay.
Most of them are remedial educators. Some of them are ECCA teachers, and DVs, and of course the van drivers and all.
So like how do you train these teachers to implement, like as you said, you don't follow IEP as such, like the quarterly goals. So how do you train these teachers to do so?
So the teachers are here working with Urja for a very, very long time. But in between, for example, when there is any Saturday or any bank holiday where the teachers are expected to come, so at least half an hour to 45 minutes the training sessions are given to them. Also, in case if a new goal is planned, then the teacher would ask us, "Sir, ये किस तरीके से पढ़ाना है?" So then we plan out strategies. If the teacher has a better strategy, even that is worked out, and then we work it out.
Which is that one rewarding moment for you in the journey of 15 years journey of Urja?
I will not say one, I would say so many. By God's grace, God has been so kind, where so many of my children have studied in Urja, gone out of Urja and have done so many things. The parents feel so proud. So I think it's just not one, there are many. I wouldn't say a rewarding journey, but an opportunity where we feel very blessed that, God gave us this opportunity where my kids got a chance to be a part of the national television program where my kids went for Dance Diwane. They were so happy to see Madhuri Dixit and other TV stars. Then they are a part of this upcoming movie Sitare Zameen Par, which is under Aamir Khan's production. So my 38 children, some are a part of audience because it is a upcoming movie. I do not want to share the theme, but my 38 children have participated under Pooja ma'am's guidance, and we feel very blessed and honored to be aired on not even the national television, but I think across the world.
So then how do you, connect to these children with all these activities, like suppose a film or a TV show?
To connect to this, some years back we were a part of Boogie Woogie show, which used to be aired on Sony Television, and so we were official counselors on board with UTV production.
Okay.
And a couple of them after that, Rakhi Ka Insaf and one or two other shows. So that's how we got in touch with those crews, the technicians, the producers, and they knew that what kind of work we are into. So now if there is any opportunity that comes up, so they know that okay, this is a school where kids get featured. So that's how the opportunity comes to us.
So then how do you involve parents in this activities of Urja School?
So it's compulsory for all the parents to come. वो फिर field visits हो to the national park or aquarium या reality shows or movies. The parents have to come, be present in the activity. Pick up and drop of course वो parents का होगा, but जब तक वो parents नहीं आएंगे तब तक बच्चा अपने spirit में भी of course नहीं रहता है. At the same time, parents also see that what all how their child is able to adjust to so much of lights, cameras, so much of sound coming in, and the child gets better. So then the parents gets that confidence that now I can take my child anywhere.
Otherwise also parents are involved आपके हर school के activities में, like day to day activities?
No.
Parents involved?
नहीं. Only for outside projects.
Only for outside. So what is the biggest challenge Urja चलाते वक्त you face generally also, or there can be any one challenge that you face?
No, so I cannot tell you one. I have many. So one would be, of course, the place where my kids still deserve a bigger place. We've contacted so many government officials and all, and things are in the pipeline. Number two is parents' acceptance levels always comes into between, because some child who is underperforming, some child who is performing very well, so there the comparison comes in. The parents don't accept that the child has his limitations in this area, so we are grooming him in that other area. So that often keeps on coming. So these are some challenges that comes up on everyday basis.
आप पेरेंट्स को भी काउंसलिंग करते हो जब भी वो बच्चा आपके स्कूल में आता है? तो जैसे अगर बच्चे का काउंसलिंग कर रहे हो तो आप पेरेंट्स का भी काउंसलिंग करते हो?
पेरेंट्स का काउंसलिंग ऑफन होता है बाय माई सेल्फ, बाय पूजा मैम, बाय कोऑर्डिनेटर्स. बट वो कहते हैं ना कि व्हेन यू आर इन एन एसोसिएशन विद समवन देन यू आर टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड. सो PTMs वगैरह में हम पेरेंट्स को समझाते रहते हैं ये कराओ वो कराओ. एट टाइम्स यू ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व प्रोफेशनल्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड who can give some guidance to parents, because वो बाहर वाले हैं.
I know. And sir, ऐसी एक सक्सेस स्टोरी बताइए जहाँ पे आपको डॉक्टर मिहिर पारेख की फिलॉसफी दिखती है. उस बच्चे ने ऐसी सक्सेस स्टोरी की है जिस रीजन से आपने ऊर्जा चालू किया था.
I have my success story with regards to my private practice, if I can share that.
Yes, of course.
So there was one child with a lot of hyperactivity, a lot of tic issues, a lot of involuntary movements the child had, and the child was on medications, and I was counseling the child, and I never knew that the child would take me so seriously, my counseling so seriously, and every now and then I would hear from the mother, abhi to ye karne laga hai, and I used to feel so happy and proud about it. And then eventually when I was complimented by the school principal that oh magician, what you have done to this child, and I would love to send other children to you. So at that point in time I was zapped to hear that I didn't do anything special, but the child took me very seriously. Yes. And today that child, so he's a son of a doctor, so he has that habit of writing down everything I tell him. So on his birthday every year I give him a diary. Unfortunately his birthday falls in the month of Jan. Okay. So diary and a pen with a planner. So he has up to date followed it.
Wow.
So I think that makes me feel very satisfied that I have got a difference in a life.
True. कैसे बच्चे ऊर्जा स्कूल में आ सकते हैं? Like, what kind of disabilities ऊर्जा is ready to help them?
So I primarily cater to children with intellectual disabilities, जहाँ पे उसके साथ साथ condition Down syndrome और other genetic concerns. We do not cater much to children जो बहुत hyperactive होते हैं या जिनको बहुत सारे sensory challenges होते हैं, because we as ऊर्जा do not have occupational therapy. उसका भी primary reason ये है that if I have some occupational therapist in my center, the strength by God's grace that I have, the one single occupational therapist would not be able to cater to such a huge crowd. Plus वो कोई main doctor नहीं आने वाला है जो मेरे बच्चे को treat करे. Some assistants and all will be coming. So I refrain from that. So my primary objective is just education. So education करना हो तो वो बच्चे का sitting tolerance होना चाहिए. जो बच्चे ज़्यादा hyperactive है, ज़्यादा self stimulatory behaviors में है, हम उनको avoid करते हैं. And I upfrontly tell the parents कि आप आ रहे हो कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव से, वो ऑब्जेक्टिव में मीटअप नहीं कर पाऊंगा, माइट एज वेल आप मत आओ. इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू बी ऑनेस्ट एट द फर्स्ट प्लेस.
Right. And what is the process like? What is the admission procedure that you follow when a child comes?
So of course, after the inquiry over the phone call, the parents are called. The child is observed just not by us, but a child is called for 2-3 days for observation. Then we finally give our verdict that okay, ये बच्चा हमारे स्कूल में adjust हो पाएगा. And then we also share the fee structure and all with the parents. If the parents are ready, then we go ahead.
Do you have any plans for children with this not financially that good? Do you also take admissions like that?
We do that. In fact, there are many people who proactively come down and sponsor some children. So we are open to those sponsorships. We spread it, pass the message in multiple groups. So whoever is wanting to sponsor the child, we take that 1 year, 3 months, 6 months, however is the donor's capacity.
So is there any plan for you to expand Urja and have more branches of Urja anywhere in
So
Mumbai?
I believe Urja can be cloned, but myself and Pooja ma'am cannot. So हमको ऐसा नहीं चाहिए that we open different centers and both of us keep on jumping to centers and we don't do justice to one center because children need us. आज अगर आप मुझे बोलोगे कि अच्छा ये जो लड़का है उसका क्या प्रोग्रेस है, वो क्या पढ़ रहा है, that also we will be able to tell you because we are involved. One. Number two, that I would not say a strand of Urja, but हमारी सर्विसेज का एक और स्ट्रैंड है which is a rehabilitation center run by the government, where we head the education department for special needs. So the center is called as Aadhar, and apart from the rehabilitation services that children get there, myself and Pooja ma'am, we head that department where we completely plan the entire curriculum of that children, all the activities and all, and everything is under us. And there are more than 150 special needs individuals whom we are catering to at centers in Thane, Kalyan and Mira Road.
Okay, and how are they run like? Are they like daily basis or?
On daily basis, Monday to Friday, morning 9:30 to 1 o'clock.
And if someone has to approach there, like how do they go for it?
So one very good part is it is completely free because it's sponsored by the government, and one has to have a UDID card, which is a unique disability identity card, and once the child has that UDID card and the IQ certificate, the child's admission is confirmed.
There's that one feedback which you got from someone which says that Dr. Mihir Parekh is on a right path.
So it's like boasting about me, but so Pooja and myself, we often get these feedbacks, so some feedbacks are very special, like you are God for our children, or you are second parents for our children. So that is something we really feel that, oh, do we really do something that great that parents equate us to these superpowers. So we feel good and fortunate that at least God has, we are that God sent chosen people who are trying to do something for these children. So we feel good.
Good. So today I saw some activities happening in Urja, like I saw some vocational training. I saw physical training, physical activities and all. Then I saw some more computer lab. Anything else other than this you have in Urja School?
So there are activities so the ones that you did not see was it's called as a Me and Mama project, where adolescent with special needs would sit with their mother. They would get into some handicraft item, make some item. That particular items are finished by the educators or the parents, and then these items are showcased for various exhibitions. Also, my children have now started to cook. So apart from whatever we teach them during the classroom hours, we have a program for them where they learn to make tea, coffee, regular breakfast what is served at home. They make some interesting pizzas. So the catering department is also there. And the courses that we run, by God's grace, are all government certified under the Skill Development of India.
So if a parent has to reach to Urja School, what is the easiest way to approach and reach?
So we are very approachable. There is no system of appointments to people or parents to come to me. They do not have to cross many hurdles or channels. They can directly have my number and they talk to me, and I call them for an appointment, or Pooja ma'am calls them for her appointment. We see the child, we answer the parents' queries, we have an observation, and it's done. So it's very fast.
What is the age group that you take in?
This year the youngest is 2.5.
Okay, so you start from, I should say, pre-primary section.
Yes, 2.5 till the adult I have is 45.
45. And the way of teaching and learning, everything is different. I mean, how do you have the classrooms like?
So the classrooms are based on, one, the current level of the child, two, the common goals that the child share. For example, one child is doing letters OHL, the other is doing OHLT, and the third is doing OHLTE. So which means that they come in a common group. So then accordingly they are classified based on their mental age and based on their current academic level.
Do you have a website, or what do you have?
So by God's grace, we've not, it's been so many years, but we don't have a website. Everything was possible through word of mouth, good parents like you and so many. And we actively run this page, Dr. Mihi Tips and Quotes, on and Urja Special School on Facebook and Instagram. So all the parents in the beginning give us the consent that whatever content will be shared, they will have no objection of their child. So all the activities and all are shared on social media. So that's how the parents can contact us. So we are in Kandivali, Mahavir Nagar, the western part of Mumbai.
Okay, so that's the easy way parents can connect.
Correct.
So thank you so much, sir.
Most welcome. My pleasure.
Episode. And this was a wonderful episode, and I'm sure that you will have more children coming in.
Yes,
at
hopefully.
Urja.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. ऊर्जा स्कूल के बच्चों ने हमें एक नई ऊर्जा दी है, जहाँ पे हमने देखा कि बच्चे डे टू डे लाइफ की चीज़ें इतने इजीली करते हैं। आई एम श्योर हम हमारे स्पेशल नीड्स के बच्चों को ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत इजीली सिखा सकते हैं। ऊर्जा स्कूल के बच्चों ने हमें सिखाया कि एजुकेशन सिर्फ किताबों तक सीमित नहीं है। इट इज़ समथिंग मोर देन दैट। डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब with the same urja which these kids have given you. Thank you.